Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification. An e-commerce company is experiencing a significant increase in business. The IT team has also expanded to accommodate the growth. During a coffee conversation, the CIO expresses concerns about the company's rapid pace of growth. Specifically, she is worried about the security checks and policies which have not kept up with the expansion. CIO fears that a misconfiguration or compliance violation could lead to data and privacy loss for the company. What advice can you give CIO? A. Utilize Cloud Identity Aware Proxy. B. Utilize Cloud Armor. C. Use Cloud Data Loss Prevention. D. Use Security Command Center. Correct answer. D. Use Security Command Center. Explanation. Security Command Center is an effective tool for checking resources for security issues and providing notifications when issues are detected. The focus here is on misconfigurations that can be exploited, not specifically on DDoS protection. DLP is designed to remove sensitive information from data, but it does not offer protection against IT misconfigurations. Cloud Identity Aware Proxy facilitates centralized identity management for accessing apps and VMs, but it does not have the capability to identify or notify about misconfigurations. Keywords. Worried about the security checks and policies which have not kept up with the expansion. Highlights the core issue being addressed. Gaps in security amidst rapid growth. Fears that a misconfiguration or compliance violation could lead to data and privacy loss for the company. Clarifies the specific threats and consequences the company faces. Subscribe and follow us.